Hi everyone. In this video we will see how we can override dependencies in our test. So I have a Fastapi application. It is a simple it has a single endpoint which returns hello world, and I have my server running and you can check it. Everything runs fine. Okay, and we have a test here written which does that endpoint. So we don't have a dependency, so let's just introduce a simple dependency. So it will be async def, and let's say authenticate our user. This will be very basic, so it only returns user and say actual user. Okay, and in our endpoint we use this dependency depends, and we will use auth user, and let's import this thing from Fastapi import depends. Okay, I will also print the user. Okay, so my server is running now. If I execute the API, then you will see I got the actual user. Okay, and I will just move it a little bit up so you can see it at the center of your screen. So if I run my test, if I run pytest, you can see it shows the actual user. Suppose I don't want that I use the actual user for my test and I want to use some mock user. So for that case we can override this dependency of auth user. So in order to do that we will write our mock dependency first. So it will be say mock auth user dependency, and it returns the mock user. Okay, so we have only declared it. We will now override it. So Fastapi app provides us this thing override. Okay, dependency override, and in this we will pass the actual dependency that we want to override, which in our case is auth user, and we will map it to the mock dependency. I will import the auth user. Okay, now I have override the auth user dependency. So let's run our test. So if I run our test now, then you can see that it printed mock user instead of the actual user. So in your test you will find this very useful, and this is actually very common way for overriding our dependencies. So let's see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.